And the next thing we're going to be looking at is organizing and storing email messages. The very first thing on that list is going to be folders and subfolders. So a folder is, for example, what we have on Outlook. We have inbox, we have sent items, we have drafts. Those are the main folders that we get on Microsoft Outlook. We can create other folders as well, and we can also do subfolders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to create a folder and how to create subfolders, and also how to move email messages into those folders and subfolders. I'm back on my emails, and the very first thing we're going to be looking at is how to create folders, and then we'll look at creating subfolders as well. So we have a few sections on the left hand side. At the very top we have favorites. So I'm moving my mouse over it now. This is not the section you want to work in. You might not be able to do what you need to do. So what I would do, the very first thing I would do is to hide this section here. So click on the arrow next to the word favorites. So just look up where my mouse is. Click on the arrow next to favorites. So it hides that entire section. The section that you want to work on is a section labeled folders. And under here, we have inbox, drafts, sent items, deleted, junk email, archive notes. We have quite a few folders here. This is a section we're going to need to work in. So the very first thing I would do, just like we've done before, take some screenshots, highlight the thing you need to highlight, and then put it in your Word document. Pause the video, screenshot this entire thing here, and then put it inside your Word document. So I'm going to screenshot this entire section here. You do exactly the same thing. Pause the video and screenshot this section. I'm going to go to my Word document, and inside my Word document, I'm simply going to paste it. The reason I'm pasting this is so that I can come back and explain later on that the section I need is the folder section, and then I need to create a new folder here. So just screenshot it and put it here for now. I'm going to go back to my emails, and when I go back to my emails, I'm going to actually create the folder I want now. To create a folder, you're going to move your mouse over where it says folders. You're going to right click on where it says folders, and once you right click on folders, you're going to have a few options. The first option says create new folder, add shared folder or mailbox, assign policy, sharing, and permissions. The one we're going to want to click on is where it says create new folder, but don't click on it just yet. I would say pause the video, go ahead and screenshot this and put this into your Word document as well. So the way you would do this is you simply open snipping tool. So press start on your keyboard to bring up your start menu like I've done here. Then type SNIP. Some of you guys might have it at the bottom of your screens. If you have it in your taskbar, you simply move your mouse down there, click on it. When it comes up, click on new, do a screenshot of this entire section here again, like so. Then you would go back to your Word document. So I'm going to go to my Word document here and I'm going to paste it in. So simply pause the video, screenshot this, and put it inside your Word document. So after you've taken your screenshot, we're going to actually come back to the folder section here, and we're going to click on where it says create new folder. Once you click on create new folder, this section is going to come up down here, and this is where you need to enter the name of the folder you've just created. So I'm going to put gaming stuff. You can give it any name you want. It doesn't have to be about gaming stuff. You can label your folder anything you actually want. After you type the name in, you can press enter. And again, what I'm going to do is I would say pause the video, screenshot this entire section and put this inside your Word document. So look at this section I'm screenshotting. I'm screenshotting down to where my new folder is. I'm going to grab that. Then I'm going to stick this inside my Word document. So this is my Word document here. And I'm simply going to paste it there. Reason being, I've got the before creating the folder here. I've got during creating the folder, so what I actually clicked on to get to that next part. And finally, I have after I've created the folder. Let's go back to my emails again. And now you can see there's a section that says gaming stuff. And inside gaming stuff is absolutely empty right now. The easiest way to move something into gaming stuff is, let's say I go back to inbox and I can move any one of these I want. So let's move that last email down there. So all I have to do is to right click on that. Once you right click on it, you're going to have all these options that show up. I'm going to choose move. And from here, it's going to ask me which folder I want to send this to. So simply start typing the name of the folder. So mine is called gaming stuff. Yours can be called flowers. Yours can be called anything you want. Whatever the name of the folder that you just created is called, I would simply put the name of that folder here. So I'm going to put GAMING, gaming stuff. Gaming stuff comes up. But before I click on gaming stuff, I'm going to go again and do another screenshot. And this screenshot is going to prove that I know how to organize or how to move emails from one folder to another one, because I'm moving the email from inbox to the folder I created. So screenshot again. I'm going to grab this entire thing here. I'm going to go back to my Word document. And in my Word document, I'm simply going to paste it there. So again, let me show you how to do that one more time. This is the email I want to move. This is in my inbox, by the way. I'm going to right click on this email. Once all these options come up, I'm going to move my mouse over where it says move, MOVE. In that very first box at the top, it says search for a folder. You should know the name of the folder you want to move it to. For me, it's going to be gaming stuff. So I simply type the word gaming. I can type the full thing if I want, gaming stuff. It comes up. Screenshot this. So pause the video. Go ahead, screenshot this section here. After you've put your screenshot in your Word document, you come back to this section. And I'm simply going to click on gaming stuff. And that email that I'm looking at right now should then be moved from inbox to gaming stuff. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it's gone, and it's told me it's gone as well. Now, if you're quick enough, you can screenshot this section down here as well. So I would grab a screenshot of that. I'll go back to my Word document, pause the video, grab a screenshot, go back to my Word document and paste it there. And this is going to be another piece of evidence to show that this actually moved to the folder I wanted it to move to. Going back to my emails, that email is now gone to that folder, but I need to double check and make sure and ensure it's in the right folder. So how do I do that? I'm in inbox currently. So look for the name of the folder that you created. The name of the folder I created was called gaming stuff. So I'm going to move my mouse and scroll all the way down until I get to gaming stuff. And once I click on gaming stuff, I should then see that email I sent to it earlier. Again, pause the video, pause it here, go ahead and take a screenshot, but look at the screenshot I'm taking. Take a screenshot of just this. You know what? Take a screenshot of the entire thing down to gaming stuff to prove that it's actually in the correct folder. The name is going to be at the top, gaming stuff, and also gaming stuff is going to be highlighted on the left. Go back to your Word document, and I will put that in here, and that shows that it's inside gaming stuff. So that's how you create a folder. That's how you move an email